Here is how to fix washed out recording colors in OBS. If your recordings lack the vibrancy that you see on the screen, the steps will help you correct the issue. So you need to open the OBS Studio first, click on the file in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, go to Settings. Now, once in Settings, navigate to the Advanced on the left-hand side. Under Video, you'll see the Color Range option. Click on the drop-down menu for color range and set it to full. This ensures OBS captures the complete color spectrum, making your recordings more accurate and less washed out. Then click on Apply and then click on OK. Also, do not close the OBS yet. There is another important setting to adjust. If you are recording your desktop and monitor using HDR, OBS might capture colors incorrectly. So to fix this, you need to go to the main OBS window and find your display capture option. In the sources section, double click on it to go to its properties. You'll see option for force SDR. Check this box and then click on OK. This tells OBS to record in standard dynamic range SDR instead of HDR, which often appears duller, faded in recordings. In most cases, you'll immediately notice the colors looking much closer to what you see on the monitor. If you still want to fine-tune the colors, you can add a color correction filter as well. So go ahead and right-click on your display capture option, then go to Filters from the bottom. Under Effect Filters, click on this plus icon right here, and then select Color Correction. You can then name the filter and click on OK. From here, you can adjust colors like brightness, contrast, saturation, and gamma until your recording looks exactly as you want it. And after making your adjustment, click on Close and keep in mind that the color correction filter works best with SDR sources. So if you're still using HDR, this filter may not behave as expected. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe.